Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to unhide picture from your phone gallery. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your phone gallery. Now press on settings option. Here you can see hidden photos. Click on this. Now select your picture which you want to unhide. Then you can see here the option of unhide. Click on this. Press on unhide. That's it. So this is how to unhide picture from your phone gallery. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.